What is up, everyone? My name is Jonathan. Today, we are looking at one of the best free ways to create YouTube thumbnails and other social media posts. So, with that, let's get into this. So right here we have our home page here. This is what it would look like if you just jumped right into Canva and created an account and signed in. So all I did was click up here and sign in using my Gmail account. Nothing fancy. I do not have the paid version, so I will be doing this just right along with you if you're just starting out. They have tons of templates. We're just going to search. We're going to search for, I don't know, baking. I see that a lot. There's a surprisingly large amount of baking YouTube channels out there. So here we are, but we want to make a YouTube thumbnail based off of a template. So we're just going to search right over here on the left-hand side. And Instagram posts, I have no idea if this is actually going to there's even going to be any templates for baking. I did not click on baking. I didn't search for this beforehand. Probably should have. Let's see, thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so we have some paid versions. This is a paid one. This is a free one. Show-stopping desserts. Those look delicious. I'm not sure what those are. Maybe a baker can tell me what those are. Homemade baby food. That's interesting. Chocolate cupcakes. That is not a free version. That is a paid one. But this one's free. So if you're a baker, certainly you would be making a video eventually about your top baking tips. So we're just going to click on this. And then, of course, we want to customize this in a way that it makes sense for us. So this is the Easy Baker's vlog. So you would just want to change this to whatever yours is. Mine would probably be the Alaskan baker because I'm in Alaska. So this makes sense. That could be my YouTube channel if it's not one out there already. There's an idea for you. So my top baking tips, that makes sense. And really, I mean, if this fit my theme of my channel's thumbnails and all that stuff, I mean, I don't know what else you would want to do. Perhaps we want to add an element here. And let's see. So we got a cookie. We got, let's see. We got this little graphic here. And I'm super not familiar with Canva. I use Photoshop, so this is super new to me. So you get to see kind of somebody fumble around and look for stuff because that's what we'd be doing as a new Canva user anyways. So let's see if they have like a cupcake. Awesome. They do have cupcakes and they have some free ones. So like this one's a pro version. This one's a pro version. The ones with little crowns are pro versions apparently. But they have free versions. So let's grab, I mean, this is a free version right here. How do we add this? Add to folder. Do we just click and drag? We can just click and drag this over. And it looks like we can scale this down. It keeps the proportions, looks like. So no matter which way I scale this, you can't make it like this really weird, super tall, skinny cupcake. And we can just drag. Maybe we want, let's see, how do we adjust the position of this? That is the position. But I want, okay, so here we go, move backward. So I wanted it to be behind the letters. That kind of makes it hard to see, but we could put it down here, and this kind of makes it look like this is on top of there. And I'm not sure I like that covering up the seam. I think I would rather scale this down and kind of put that here. And you don't want to have too many colors on your YouTube thumbnail. So this is good. There's not too many colors going on. You got some tans, whites, browns. You don't have like, it would be weird if you put through like this rainbow one on here. Like this just wouldn't really make sense. It doesn't really fit the overall theme of the thumbnail. So delete that. So as you can see, there's tons of free stuff on here. Let's see. Whoops. Let's see. Let's go back to Cupcake because it had suggested. Maybe that was because it had something right here showing, you saw that it said like macaroons and stuff like that. Well, anyways, so these are the featured ones, and these are free as well. These are what a lot of people are using because they're featured. And they have lots of shapes, different frames, stickers, animation stuff. And so you can use this tons of stuff for creating a YouTube thumbnail and in Canva. And so that is it. Hopefully that helps somebody. I do appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. And of course, if you haven't yet and you are not a part of the Facebook group, I highly encourage you going over to YouTube's Creators Corner. It is in the link in the description below. And of course, a link to Canva will be in the description below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next video.